What you're saying is this attempt to re-energize the government was a dud.
Yeah,
Move on to the next.
that's right, sis.
Yung
The
impeachment.
impeachment.
Oh, yung impeachment,
Why
sa inyo ko
does,
sinabi, sis.
why
Di ba,
does-
sis, remember?
Ano yon?
During the campaign, when I was there, I told you na the impeachment is on dead water.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Diba?
but why would the Senate President say that too? Na it may
Alam
not
mo,
happen at all. Is
Yes.
that correct for him
Yes,
to
it is
say
correct.
that? Why?
Yes, it is correct.
Why?
You covered the Senate, and you know the Senate is by tradition. They follow their rules, and the rules say that they have only 2 weeks upon resumption. And those are not calendar days. Those are session days, which means Monday to Wednesday. So itong 2 weeks na balik nila, that's a total of 6 session days. That will end on June 13. June 11, in fact, is not a session day. Diba? So, pero in-extend nila, but they cannot extend beyond June 30. Kasi ang 19 Congress...
But they could have done it earlier. But anyway, wag na nating
Yes.
balikan yung nakaraan. Pero may para... Okay.
Yes.
The other angle
Ah,
kasi doon, Maluno, is sinasabi nila, yun yung sinasabi ni SP Cheese ngayon to hold on to power. May point pa ba to hold on to power? Matatapos na nga yung 19th Congress.
Wala naman. Alam mo yung mga interpretasyon ng mga narinig natin yung sa report nyo na sa House of Reps, yun puros propaganda. Ang simpleng rason, walang oras. Kailan ba nila forward sa Senate yung impeachment? Di ba wala ng session? So yun yung problemang una, wala nang session. February 4 nagpirmahan ng kung ano-ano, refer nila sa Senado, hindi makaka-act ang any legislative body kung hindi dadaan sa plenary. So wala nang plenaryo, paano, sige, na-receive ng Secretariat ng Senado, i-refer yon sa order of business, plenary yon. Babasahin, tapos sasabihin, referred to the Committee on Rules. Walang maging gawang ganon kasi walang plenaryo. So, during the recess, pinipilit nila, hindi, i-convene mo. Di ba, at most na ginawa nila, nagpatahi ng robe, re-review yung mga rules. So, ang mangyayari sa June 11, they will convene as a court, they will adopt the rules, and then they will present itong complaint, and the House of Representatives through the prosecution panel will be able to read into the records ano yung mga charges. Tapos sinabi naman ni Senate President, the most that we can do is we will give the defense 10 days to reply because that's the rules. Again, steep in tradition, susunod sa rules. So kung gusto nilang ibahin yung rules, hindi ibahin, isuspend ang rules, plenary rin yun. May magmo-motion that, Mr. President, we seek the, suspension of the rules so that we can expedite. Lahat yan plenaryo. So,
Walang tawid-tawid,
tama naman-
Malu? Walang tawid-tawid? Di ka naniniwala dun sa tawid-tawid?
Hindi ako naniniwala dyan sa tawid.
Anyway,
Yung mga
dadating naman daw yan sa Supreme Court.
Oo.
Oh,
Yun ang
dadating, oo.
Yeah.
Dadating, pero para maitawid ng 19th at sasaluhin ng 20th, that's a big question. Kasi release na kahapon, maganda yung debate
I
between...
thought Sarah wanted, what is it?
A bloodbath.
Siya ang sabi niya.
She does. And I want that too, para klarado. Pero paano mo pipilitin ang Vice President na, hoy, ituloy nyo yan. Itong mga ito, meron silang rules at merong President. Di ba? Maganda nga yung pinag-usapan ni Senator Pimentel at Senator Tolentino Kasi may punto doon si Senator Tolentino na iba ang US sa Pilipinas. Hindi mo maihahambing yun.
May punto rin si Coco Pimentel.
May punto rin. Pareho
Okay.
Kaya nga maganda nagkaroon ng ganon. At sa tingin ko sa June 11, and you know this very well, Ses, sa June 11, mahabang talaktakan yung mangyayari bago pa maipresent yung charges.
Pwede namang pahabain ng araw, stop the clock. Diba?
Pwede yan.
Diba?
But the stop the clock has to be approved by the plenary. And there is a rule that you cannot convene an exiting Congress 30 days before the start of the new Congress. So wala na talagang time.